Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video. Did you know that over 70% of beginners struggle to gain muscle without the right supplements? Well, in this video, I will tell you the 5 top supplements that you need to build muscle faster. Stay tuned. You're gonna know this. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Josh. I'm a fitness trainer. I've been training for over 20 years. I compete in events such as CrossFit, high rocks, mud runs, triathlons, Spartan races, you name it. You like watching content that is simple, straight to the point, that takes out all the fluff, all the blah, blah, blah of all these fitness videos that are long for no reason. They're telling you information that you don't want to, that you don't care, or that you don't want to know. You know, this is a channel for you. So you can spend less time trying to figure it out through someone's video and more time actually making progress. If that's what you like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Building muscle can be hard, especially when you're just starting. Many beginners get lost with all the information out there and don't know which supplements to use. Without the right supplements, you might not see the results you want, which can be very frustrating. Here are the top 5 supplements for beginners backed by science. Let's start off with number 5, vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for muscle function and bone health. Studies show that vitamin D deficiency can impair muscle function, and supplementation which improve muscle strength. Number 4, fish oil. Fish oil contains omega-3s that help reduce inflammation and supports muscle recovery. Research indicates that omega-3 fatty acids can enhance muscle protein synthesis and reduce muscle soreness. Number 3, beta-alanine. Beta-alanine improves muscle endurance and reduces fatigue, so you can keep going longer during workouts. Studies show that beta-alanine can enhance exercise performance and lean body mass. Number 2, creatine monohydrate. Creatine boosts your strength and energy so you can work out harder and longer. Research has proven that creatine increases muscle mass and improves performance in high-intensity exercise. Number 1, whey protein. Whey protein helps your muscles recover and grow after workouts. It has all the amino acids your body needs. Studies show that whey protein can increase muscle mass and strength while combined with resistance training. And of course, out of these top 5 supplements, only one reigns supreme, and that would be creatine monohydrate. Creatine monohydrate is the most important for beginners. It's been studied a lot and is proven to help increase strength, power, and muscle size. Adding creatine to your routine can make a big difference in how you perform and grow. So, to sum up this video, the top 5 supplements for beginners in 2024 are whey protein, creatine, beta-alanine, fish oil, and vitamin D. These can help you build muscle and get the most out of your workouts. Have you tried any of these supplements? Share your experiences in the comments below, and be sure to check out our other video on the best beginner workout routines. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. See you next video. And if you want free 12-week fitness plans, go to joshylift.com, make a free account. You will have access to all of my free downloadable fitness plans. They are 12 weeks. You don't have to subscribe to no email list. You don't have to give me your number, your address, nothing. It is all 100% completely free. I try to add new programs once a month that are proven by science that they work effectively. Results may vary. It's free. There you go.